Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new, my name is Marissa, also known as Homemaking with Marissa. Today's video is going to be 5 outfits that I wore throughout the week utilizing my 10 item capsule wardrobe. If you're new to my channel and haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. Also click that bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Let's go ahead and get into what I wore this week. Today's outfit is a white collared boyfriend shirt. This is from American Eagle. I did check, the white was out of stock for a while, but as of the time I'm filming this, it was back available. I love this as a layering piece. I looked for a white collared shirt for quite a while, trying to find something that wasn't so form-fitting. So I really like the fit of this particular white shirt, though obviously it's very hard to see underneath this, but it's tucked in, but it comes down and has held up. It's washed really well. I'm wearing a tunic from Old Navy. This is just a plain black tunic. I'll have to check and see if this is still available or something similar. I got it last year. American Eagle skinny jeans. I have said before that I am very petite, and American Eagle's short jeans are really the best option for me to be able to wear skinny jeans, or any jeans for that matter, without having to roll them up. And then today I'm pairing it with a pair of Ballet Flats. Take it off here so that you can get a better look. These are either Rita's or Carolina's. I can't remember. It doesn't really matter. They don't make them anymore, but maybe they would be available on something like Poshmark. But I really like this band here at the top. I wish they still made these, because these do a great job of fitting around your foot and creating a snug fit. I find that oftentimes the more traditional ballet flats from Tory Burch kind of slide off my foot, and they're just, for my foot shape, not a great fit. But I have had these for probably 10 years. My husband got them for me for a birthday present years and years ago. I love them. I think that they're really classic. And I wanted something that was, this is the only pair of ballet flats from Tory Burch I own, but I wanted something that wasn't just a solid color. So I thought that this black and white check was something that I would be able to use for years to come. Anyway, this is my outfit for today. Definitely something that's cozy, but I feel like it looks pretty presentable. I mentioned in my winter capsule wardrobe video that I'm reusing everything. I'm trying not to buy anything new the entire season, which is why I pulled back out these ballet flats that I haven't worn in years. Now, people always get very upset when I say that ballet flats are not currently in style, and clearly I don't care. I'm still wearing them, and that's absolutely just my opinion. But even though they may not be the current trend, I still like these little ballet flats and feel like it really completes the outfit. Today's outfit is 2 of my core items. I am wearing this flannel. This is my teenage son's. I explained in my capsule reveal video that I had one of these and didn't like mine, and he wasn't wearing this, so I swapped it out for this flannel. It comes from JCPenney, has a ton of different colors. This was also in my men's gift guide. I gift these to my father-in-law every year, and I think that they come in like 26 or 27 different colors, and they're very affordable. This Aries tee is just a basic boyfriend white tee. My leggings came from Aries. These are also a core item. Said before, I'm only 5 foot tall. They come in a short length, which is perfect because I do not have to roll them. I am wearing my memory foam sneakers from Target. The last time I checked, these were still available and had a variety of different sizes. My hair is still curled from yesterday. I just decided to pull it half up, half down. I just feel like the ribbon is very girly and it kind of offsets the masculine nature of this shirt. Today is just a standard grocery pickup, school run. I am going to bake some muffins and do some chores around the house, which is why I wanted something that was super comfortable today. I will show you what I'm wearing tomorrow. Today it is Friday. I have a ton of baking to do today. I'm making sourdough pizza crust. I'm making sourdough bread, and I am prepping some Christmas cookie dough that I will stick into the freezer so that it's ready to go for Christmas parties. Now this video is going to go up after Christmas, but I'm filming it. Today is the 10th, I think, of December. I think it's December 10th today. And I like to do that. I like to and I do that throughout the year anyway. I'll just make cookie dough and keep it frozen in case we have some sort of event that we need to go to. It's just an easy way to bring dessert. Today's outfit is one core item, which is these Athleta joggers. I'm wearing the same memory foam sneakers from Target that I wear pretty consistently. I have my Luxe Spun cotton long sleeve tee from Banana Republic and a cardigan in this charcoal gray color that came from Target. I have these in a variety of different colors. I wear them all the time. Though I haven't gotten as much use out of this gray as I thought that I would, but today seemed like a good layering piece for a very monochromatic outfit. My hair's up in a bun, 10-minute makeup. That's it. Just doing some baking school run. Pretty standard. We make pizza every Friday, so we'll do that tonight. Probably drive around, look at Christmas lights, and maybe watch a Christmas movie is really all that's on the agenda for today. I am going to show a couple of different variations of the outfit that I'm wearing today. It's a Saturday, and I am going to be delivering our neighbors Christmas gifts, which is why I have a beanie on, and I'm also going to a birthday party for my nephew. So I'm going to end up taking this beanie off. I didn't want to mess up my hair, so I want to show you what the beanie looked like, and then I will also be curling my hair and show you what it looks like, what I'll be wearing to the party. Anyway, I am wearing my black trench CC cream colored beanie. This comes in so many different colors. I love the palm. It's held up really well. This was in my budget gift guide this year. It comes in Mommy and Me, which if I had a daughter, I just think I got these for my niece. I think they're so cute on little kids. This is an Aries sweater. My jeans are from Target and my shoes are from Target. I did my 10-minute makeup look today and I'm currently working on, my arm's shaking, my bedding. I said in a video, I don't know, I probably put it up a year ago when I explained my laundry routine that I alternated bedding in the house. I would do one person's 1 week and then move throughout the house. I decided to transition to doing everyone's bedding every week, which means that I just have to do an extra load of laundry each day with somebody's bedding. Today, I am doing mine and my husband's. Anyway, let me go curl my hair. I never know where to look. Let me go curl my hair and I'll show you what that looks like. But this hat is going to be perfect for delivering all of the neighbor gifts. I just made some homemade Christmas candy and homemade candles. And that's what I'm going to be gifting teachers, neighbors, and coworkers. My husband's employer doesn't let you do any homemade baked goods because of COVID. That's not something that they're allowing right now, so his coworkers will just be getting homemade candles. And I'm realizing now that Christmas will be over by the time I post this, so people probably don't care what I gifted. The only way I can get videos out on top of working and taking care of my house is by filming them really far in advance. So it's mid-December and this won't go up, I think, until January. But anyway, here's what I'm wearing to the party. Same sweater, I just roll the sleeves. I am wearing my basic white tee underneath because I don't know if I'm gonna get hot inside in this big oversized bulky sweater. Jeans, sneakers, and some loose curls, which I am trying to do the middle part instead of the classic millennial side part. I just feel like the side part looks better. See, I try to be trendy sometimes and it just doesn't work. Anyway, going to go wrap the gift and get ready to leave for this birthday party. Today is Sunday. My son has a Christmas performance and we are going to church this morning. I am wearing my Loft polka dot dress, trench coat, some tights that have some pinstriping detail in them, and then a pair of Jessica Simpson suede pumps. Curled my hair, basic makeup, not wearing lipstick. We have to wear masks in Oregon anytime we're inside, so we'll be wearing masks during church. Other than that, just gonna come home and have a pretty laid back Sunday. Probably watch the 4th Harry Potter movie. I've said before that we watch all the Harry Potters in the month of December, so working our way through that. Yeah, just kind of a laid back Sunday afternoon, but this is definitely showing how you can take an item that's in just your regular capsule, dress it up for something like church or a children's performance. Thank you all for watching. If you are new to my channel and haven't done so already, you can subscribe by clicking on my face here. I post 2 videos each week. They're always related to something homemaking, whether it's cooking, grocery hauls, my capsule wardrobe, parenting tips, ton of variety on this channel. I will include an entire playlist full of my capsule wardrobe here, as well as an additional video that YouTube thinks that you would enjoy down here. I hope you're all doing well. Bye!